The modern battlefield at sea is dominated by advanced cruiser warships, powerful, heavily armed, and built for naval supremacy.
Today, we count down the top 3 modern cruiser warships. 1.
Ticonderoga class USA. Number 3. The Ticonderoga class.
Armed with the Aegis combat system and over 120 vertical launch cells, these cruisers protect U.S. carrier strike groups with deadly precision. Whether launching Tomahawk cruise missiles or intercepting threats, the Ticonderoga class is a guardian of the seas.
Kirov class Russia at number 2. Russia's Kirov class.
The largest surface combatant in the world. This nuclear-powered warship is bristling with anti-ship and air defense missiles. Nicknamed battle cruisers, the Kirovs are built to
dominate the ocean with overwhelming firepower.
Type 055 class China, and at number 1 the Chinese Type 055 class, designed for stealth and multi-role warfare. These cruisers pack over 100 missile cells, advanced radars, and cutting-edge electronic warfare systems.
The Type 05 represents China's growing naval power in the modern era.